Hey, and what is up, you guys? My name is Brian, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, I'm going to be installing a new power steering pump into my car because my current one is completely shot. I've removed the belt, and that's the power steering pump right there. You can see the pulley right there. I'm trying to remove it. It's kind of hard. There's a bolt that's like way back deep inside the engine under there. You're not going to be able to see it. But I want to get that out because my power steering, well, I have none. And over here I have the new power steering pump right there. I've been working for a while now to get that out. It's kind of in there. But I'm hoping it's going to fix my power steering issues. So I've never showed my car before. My car is a 2005 Subaru Forester XT. I've put a lot of work into her. I've made her off-roady. I've got a 2-inch lift, 1-inch lift spring, some oversized tires, got a basket with some 2 gallons extra water, 2 gallons extra fuel, spare tire, little weird CB antenna, and I've got like a garland on the basket because it is around Christmas time. Her name's Ruby. I don't know if you're able to see this very well, but Ruby right there. So any of my friends that have driven my car know that my car currently has incredibly heavy steering, and that's because the power steering pump has gone bad. Now, I've just gotten used to it, and I've been driving my car like that for about 2 years with no power steering, but I figured it was time to actually change that and put a new pump in. The power steering pump is right here, and to replace the power steering pump, it's relatively straightforward, but at the same time really hard because some of the bolts are in really hard to reach places. So to start, you got to take off the hose that attaches here, which is now right here, and I've just plugged it. And then you got to take off the high pressure line right here, which is held in with one banjo bolt. And then behind this pulley, you're not going to be able to see it, but behind this pulley there's 2 bolts, one here and one here that you remove. But there's a bolt that lives way back in there to hold on the bracket. Got to remove that one. And then way deep back in there's another bolt that you got to remove. I haven't figured out a way to get to it yet, but then you can remove the whole assembly. The pump lives inside this bracket right here, and then you can pull out the pump, put the new one in, and reverse the process. So I woke up to a bit of a surprise this morning. Currently I'm in my dad's shop working on my car, but when I woke up I was greeted with this amazing sight right here. Yep. Nothing but snow for days, and it's kind of melting now because I believe it's just above freezing. Looking good, Ruby, even though you are trapped and broken. I'll get you fixed. Don't worry. So my current issue is I need a really long extension to reach back in there to get that final bolt, or at least try and find it. I'm not sure what size it is. It's probably a 12. I need a deep 12, please. You are not where you're supposed to be. Did I have it the whole time? Oh, wow. It was right there the whole time. But I do need some extensions, which I don't have right here. I need an extension. Would this be a good one? This is a good one. Well guys, I finally got that stupid power steering pump out. It was in there. Here it is. This is horrible. I don't recommend, well, go ahead and replace it yourself. It just requires a bit of doing. Here's the hole it lived in here. Looks like it was leaking out of the bottom right there. Now I just got to switch the bracket that this one's in to the new one and reverse the process. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. I finally got that power steering pump installed, and I have power steering. Yay! I'm so happy I can finally steer. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, my name's Brian. Have a good day, and bye-bye.